Nissan Juke is a subcompact crossover SUV, B segment, produced by the Japanese car manufacturer Nissan since 2010. Debuted as a production vehicle at the 2010 Geneva Motor Show in March, it was introduced to North America at the 2010 New York International Auto Show to be sold for the 2011 model year as the smallest crossover in Nissan's lineup prior to the introduction of Magnite in 2020. It is currently slotted between the smaller Magnite and the larger Kicks. The second generation model was revealed for the European market in September 2019, offering larger dimensions by utilizing the newer Renault-Nissan CMF-B platform. The second generation marks the withdrawal of the model from most markets outside Europe and Australasia to make way for the Nissan Kicks. The name Juke means to dance or change directions, demonstrating agility, and is also derived from the word jukebox. The Juke R is a limited production run Juke with the drivetrain, chassis, and the 3.8-litre VR engine from the Nissan GT-R that produces 545 HP, 406 kW. The car was developed after hours by a group of Nissan engineers and motorsport engineering company RML Group, a Nissan partner. The production was handled by tuners Seven Valley Motorsport. Although Nissan planned to produce 17 or 23 units, only a total of 5 Juke Rs were produced. 2 of those 5 were kept by Nissan, meaning only 3 examples were actually sold.